That's the thing, like, I really enjoy about cleaning, is like the smells, like it smells nice and you feel nice. Hi everyone, I'm Ursula. Welcome to my channel. I want to start the year off clean. Because when my outside is clean and sparkly, then I feel like a superstar basically. I got my space organized and cleaning. I want to introduce you to a product called Better eco-friendly, green, happy, kind cleaning detergents. Okay, let's get this place clean. It's messy and it's dirty, and that's no way to start 2020. So we're gonna start this year better with Better Earth. Here we have a very messy little office. That is messy, that is messy. Got some dishes. This is just, ooh, we need to clean, and that's also waiting for me. Let me tell you, I used to work on luxury yachts as a stewardess, which meant that I did a lot of cleaning, laundry. I started getting lots of skin reactions. My hands were constantly bleeding and dry because of reactions to the chemicals from the products that we were using. So just imagine that if it's not good for us, then it can't be good for the world, for the earth. Think of our sewage systems, and everything is going back, it's running back into the planet, and it's not good, not good. Better Earth has a really cool philosophy. Better for you, better for the earth. I put it to the test. I did my cleaning. My number one favorite one is the dishwashing liquid. It is a lemon flavor. Yum. Why do I love this? Dishwashing soap is the one that the dermatologist told me I'm never allowed to wash any dishes. It's fine actually, but I'm not allowed to wash any dishes because my hands bleed. So I did something very naughty and I washed the dishes without using any gloves. And my hands were fine. But like not even a tingling rash or nothing. It was so gentle and kind to me, which means it was kind to the earth. You know, you're new to this, you just want to like tip your little pinky into the green eco cleaning world. Start with the dishwashing liquid. That's my number one recommendation. Then we have laundry detergent. If your clothes are washed with high chemicals, like this can also give a rash to your body. The water that goes back into the earth. It smells really nice. It's like a blossomy flavor. We like. We're taking care of all your cleaning needs. Next, there's a tiled floor cleaner. It's called Uplifting Orange. Let's see. Yeah, fresh. Some of you might not have tiled floor. Wooden floor cleaner. This is my second favorite one, the eucalyptus. This is my kind of smell. I love the eucalyptus. Bathroom toilet cleaner. Kills the germs, the nasty germs in the toilets. Personal favorite number 3 is the spray. Ching ching ching. This is for spraying surfaces. So like in the kitchen, dirty surface in the kitchen, and that happens so easily. This, you just clean with a wet cloth, your surfaces are clean. So at night time before going to bed, you can just do a quick wipe. Even got an air freshener. Body wash. How cute is that little girl and guy? I've already finished this. I really enjoyed it, really soft and gentle for my very sensitive skin. If I could give Better Earth some criticism, or was it criticism or just advice or a request? A request. I want hand soap. Better Earth, can you create hand soap? I wash my hands quite a lot. The big text doesn't do the job. Like it doesn't have like the chemicals that give it the oomph to like kill the germs and like get the grease off. It does the job just as effectively. Powerful cleaning, and it's green. When I was cleaning my space, and then afterwards like there's all these smells, and I don't know, it's just because you know you're using a product that's actually good, you feel good. I feel good. My space feels good. My friend and I were chatting and we were saying we want to go zero waste this year. We want to try minimize our plastic usage. Better Earth uses recycled materials. This is made out of recycled materials. This is 100% recyclable, plus the little sticker around it is also recyclable. My next step is to get the big bottles. And then what you do is you just transfer the big bottles into your smaller containers. So you don't actually really have to throw them away, you can just reuse them. That can then just last you for a very long time. I'm gonna put the details below. It's clean.